How has electric ovens affected casting?
Me personally, I prefer the electric ovens over the gas ovens. They are more efficient and they also more precise in temperature. They don't burn as much wax. Everything drips down into a pan in the bottom and we don't have to pollute so much air.
They get our job done a lot faster. The old ovens would be loaded front to back. If you needed something in the back, you would have to wait until the end of the day to get to it. Now, they work on a spindle, they come around, plug in whatever you want, it comes right there. Computer controls everything. So if I need position 21, I just hit 21 and it goes right there. It's at the temperature right here. Control is all taken care of in one spot. They're well insulated. They do a great job for us. We really enjoy working with these machines.
Do you prefer the modern generation of casting machines?
To me, I prefer these machines a lot more because they actually have so many different features and they are also a lot more protective than hand pouring. Everything is concealed. You don't have to worry about any metal exploding on you. Also, there's a lot of different features for you to control the atmosphere. Atmosphere meaning that we want to get rid of all the gas, oxygen. When we're casting, oxygen is our number one enemy. We vacuum all the oxygen from both chambers when we're casting. All the oxygen gets sucked out from the top chamber. The top chamber contains the metal. The bottom chamber contains the Paris plaster flask. So when we get all that oxygen out of the way, we introduce argon. Argon protects the metal and it makes it last longer and also makes it pour better. We also can control how much suction you want to have on the bottom chamber when you're casting and also how much pressure you want to put onto the flask when you're pouring the metal to create better, more tight castings. And these machines are so much better. Chambers are water cooled. There's no way of you getting burned. They're so much safer and I love them.
What new casting machines is Carrera using today?
This new machine that we have here works great. We love working with it. She has a crucible here that sits on the bottom right in there. Keeps the metal at a very accurate temperature as we hold it. Whatever temperature we want, we can set it all down here and adjust everything as we need. And then over here is our chamber. So with the flask into the chamber, put it on the back, holds it, protects it, and then pour right into there. This here we use as our cover gas. We cover the metal to protect the metal as it's being heated up, melting.
We've always kept up with the latest in technology, casting, quality, and service, but it's really the staff that we assembled that takes all of the best components of Carrera and allows them to be applied to our customers and what their needs are. And it's a staff second to none.
Only at Carrera.